Hey guys, what's going on? I wanted to tell you guys about my most favorite protein bars, Zone Perfect nutrition bars. I'm definitely a really big fan of protein bars because they provide me with the protein that's hard to get in my everyday life sometimes because I am a vegetarian. And yes, I do feel like you could definitely get a great amount of protein from non-animal products. But, sometimes on the go with work and stuff, it's hard because I don't always have time to stop for lunch. Sometimes I just need to eat something quick in my car, and this is just something I can throw in my purse and feel good about, and they are delicious. I have tried a lot of different protein bars in the past, and a lot of them have this weird chalky taste or texture, and I'm not a fan of all of them. So Perfect, my mom, who is actually a vegetarian too, used to purchase these, and I used to always eat her whole box, and they were just so good. So today I'm eating one for breakfast, but they're also good just on the go to hold you over to your next meal. I think you can even have it as a meal replacement, but you could have it for lunch, and it'll definitely hold you over because it has 14 grams of protein and 19 vitamins and minerals. My favorite is the chocolate mint, but they also have a dark chocolate almond, which is really good, and a chocolate peanut butter, but this is the kind that I always go for. I think they have smaller boxes that come with 6 bars, but this has 10 bars. I just buy the bigger ones because I know I'm going to go through it because I know that I like them. Bars are 1.76 ounces each. Let me see on the back here. Ingredients: soy protein nuggets, isolated soy protein, corn syrup, and not a big fan that there's corn syrup in there. Chocolate flavored coating, milk protein isolate, cocoa butter, oat fiber, glycerin, chocolate cookie pieces, yada yada, salt, and 2% of the rest of these things here. Vitamin and mineral blend. It's definitely something that's important to me. There's iron in there. My iron's always low. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because I'm vegetarian or because I live where there's just not enough iron. Or, I'm sorry, I actually meant to say vitamin D. My vitamin D is always low, and my iron is always low. So there's 210 calories per bar. Not bad, especially if you're having it as, I'm having it as my breakfast, so that's fine. And then I probably won't eat again until lunch. And just have it with a cup of coffee, and that definitely just holds me over until my next meal. There's 7 grams of fat, total carbs 24 grams, sugars 14 grams, and protein 14 grams. So the protein is definitely something that's important to me. If you think that the sugar's too high or whatever, just think of it like you're having this as a meal, so it's really not so bad. I wish that there was some vitamin D in here because I do have problems maintaining my vitamin D, but I mean, it has so much other great stuff. Vitamin B6, vitamin B12, definitely need that for energy. Just see on here, there's vitamin C in there too. Not a huge source of fiber. I wish there was more fiber, but I mean, honestly, for what it is, these are so good for the amount of protein and the vitamins and minerals. So this is what the front of the bar looks like. All the nutrition facts are listed on the back of the bar, as well as the ingredients. I guess, contains milk, soy, and wheat ingredients manufactured in a facility that processes eggs, peanuts, and tree nuts. So I guess if you have a nut allergy, just you got to be careful with that. Free taste or your money back, so that's always good. You can return them if you're not happy. Which is well explained on the back of the on the bottom of the box, and they don't expire till June. I'll definitely be going through these before the end of June, that's for sure. I'll go ahead and open the bag so you guys can see what it looks like. Back of the bar, front of the bar. Looks so yummy. The chocolate coating. Let me take a bite. It's so good. You can see the texture. It literally tastes like, you guys ever have a Thin Mint Girl Scout cookie? It's like a Thin Mint Girl Scout cookie, but not as fattening, and it has vitamins, minerals, and protein. That's what it tastes like. It's so good. And I like that the texture is a little crunchy. I feel more satisfied when I eat something that's a little crunchy. I don't know if that's weird or if you guys ever feel like that too, but I like when something has a little crunch to it. So this is so delicious. Goes great with a cup of coffee or any other kind of drink, water. I usually have it with coffee or water in the morning or on my lunch break or whatever. So I hope you guys try out Zone Perfect. Definitely try out their products because they do have, like I said, so many other flavors, and I believe they sell a variety pack as well. The chocolate peanut butter and dark chocolate almond are delicious as well, but definitely try this chocolate mint. If you guys like Girl Scout Thin Mint cookies with a little crunch, try these and you'll love them. I guarantee it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you found this video useful.